I'm playing over. She's happy now. This is a good pass to choice. We don't have choices.